Hello everybody, Derick Vogel again with Credit Absolute, founder and CEO. Today we're going to talk about proper mix of credit. It's worth 10%, which is 55 points of the 550. Remember to please like, share, and comment these videos so again that we can get the information out to the masses so that they can understand the facts so they can also build their credit and optimize their credit scores. So proper mix of credit is actually just different types of credit. This video is probably going to be a little bit shorter because the different types of credit would be like getting a mortgage, getting a car loan. Maybe you needed a student loan. Multiple different types of credit cards that we talked about. It could be a personal loan or it could be like a line of credit. Point being is there's different types of credit that we want to report on our credit report so that we can trigger the scoring algorithms to say, hey, I can own a home, I can own a car, and I can manage a credit card all at the same time. You're not going to just go out and apply for a bunch of credit because that could hurt your credit scores. It took me over 15 years to build my credit to where it is today. Now, I'm not saying that you can't build your credit scores quickly, meaning you can't get to the 700 plus range in a short time frame, because you can. But to get 20 credit cards valued at $100,000 will take time. So just understand that getting the proper mix of credit is going to take time, and just do it slowly. Create goals like, hey, I want to get 3 to 5 credit cards right now, because remember, that's one of the most critical pieces to build your foundation. But buying a home or buying a car comes when you're financially ready to do that. So just know that if you don't have all the pieces of the credit, it's okay. And you don't obviously need a student loan if you're not going to college. So you wouldn't go for that. But you could get like a personal loan that's an installment loan. Remember, we talked about installment loans versus revolving credit. And that is something that you can look at to help you strengthen your foundation. And so again, please like, comment, and share this with those out there that want to understand a little bit more about the proper mix of credit. Please reach out to me directly with any questions or my coaching team. But thank you, and I'm looking forward to catching up with the final video of New Credit. Talk to you soon.